Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I fixed my damaged hair. My hair was identified as super damaged and it was extremely dry, brittle. I have heat styled my hair a lot. I have chemically treated my hair. So they were extremely frizzy. There were a lot of signs of breakage and just weak elasticity in my hair. They just looked dull and lifeless and totally lacked shine. The hairdresser at the salon recommended me to use the Matrix Opti Repair regime. I am super excited to share my experience with you, the wonderful journey that I've had with the Matrix Opti Repair liquid protein system. This has totally changed my hair. I have fallen back in love with my hair ever since I've started using this. I cannot stop touching my hair. This range repairs damaged hair from the first use itself. This range consists of the liquid protein shampoo, liquid protein conditioner, and the star product, my favorite product from this range, the liquid protein porosity spray. Firstly, let's talk about what causes breakage in your hair and the damages that are caused in your hair, which increases the porosity. If you like to heat style your hair frequently, if you get a blow dry every single time you wash your hair, or use a hair straightener, curling irons, or if you just like to do really tight updos all the time or wear really tight scrunchies, brush your hair really excessively, that can also cause hair breakage and damage. Now, due to all of this, it causes damage in your hair and increases the porosity in your hair, which means that it causes gaps that absorb moisture. Low porosity hair usually has the cuticle closed and hair doesn't absorb a lot of moisture. Medium porosity hair has a healthy cuticle where it's open enough to receive some moisture and close enough to not absorb too much of it. In high porosity hair, the cuticle is raised and hair absorbs moisture extremely easily. Having high porosity hair does mean that this is a sign of damage. It leads to problems like dryness and frizziness, brittle hair, it breaks easily, split ends, knotting and tangling. I had been facing a lot of breakage and a lot of hair loss, and I discovered that this is due to the high porosity of my hair. So the hairdresser at my salon recommended the Matrix Opti Repair system as a one-stop solution for damaged and high porosity hair. I like to start my hair care routine with the Matrix Opti Care liquid protein shampoo. This is a professional shampoo for damaged hair infused with liquid protein. It helps repair dry, brittle and damaged hair and reduces breakage. After shampooing my scalp, I like to move on to my conditioner, focusing it on the mid-lengths and leaving it on for a little bit to absorb into my hair. After rinsing all of it off, I move on to the spray, which is the star product. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed. It is infused with B5 and liquid protein. It nourishes the hair and repairs breakage from within. It is super lightweight and very easy to apply. After rinsing everything off, I like to apply this onto damp hair, spread it evenly across the mid-lengths. This even helps me brush out my hair when it's wet without any knotting or tangling. After applying this, you can go about your hair routine as normal. You can let it air dry or you can heat style it if that's what you want. This is a leave-in treatment and it does protect your hair against heat damage as well. Since I have really dry, brittle hair, I like to wash it twice a week. But you can use this every single time you wash your hair. I like to use it 2 to 3 times a week. The Matrix Opti Repair system is made with liquid protein technology that fills porosity and strengthens your hair, thus repairing it and protecting it from damage. Just like we eat protein for our health, this is protein for our hair. You can honestly see the difference in my hair, how it looks, and it feels so soft. There are no knots. I can totally just run my fingers through my hair. It feels so soft and smooth and nourished and healthy and bouncy. Also has a really nice shine to it. The Opti Repair regime has helped to repair my hair damage and also fix the high porosity in my hair. My hair doesn't tangle, it doesn't break and doesn't feel dry anymore. You can repair your damaged hair as well and flaunt your healthy hair. This range has made me fall back in love with my hair, especially the high porosity spray. That is one of the best treasure hair products that I've discovered this year. All of the prices and the sizes will be mentioned in the description box for you guys. If you're interested in any of these products, which I highly recommend you to try, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!